Hello everyone, welcome to Car Salvage 101. I'm in trouble. I thought I'd do a quick video. I'll try and do a quick video. And I really need your help before I start either throwing money at this, sending it to a garage, or just spending money on something that doesn't need fixing, or because it's not the problem. It doesn't cure the problem. So I need your help with this Fiat 500. So if you don't know about Fiat 500s, or you like the look of them but you don't know mechanically about them, maybe this video isn't for you. But I need your help because I have a problem with this automatic Fiat 500. So let me explain. If you follow the channel, you know that I got my first automatic Fiat 500 last year. I couldn't tell you the date, maybe in October, something like that. Got it from BCA. It's a category S, I think. 2018, I think, on a 67 plate with 37,000 on the clock. I bought it from, I think, Enfield, and drove it back from Enfield, and also drove it around for a number of weeks, small little sort of, trips to the shop, that type of thing. No issues whatsoever, nothing. Ran like a dream. But of course I had to do work on it. You've seen from the videos, I had to do some paint jobs on it, and for reasons unknown, I can't tell you why, just things got busy, got the winter, and I just parked it up. And there it stayed. And then in January, I went to move it and the battery was flat. Jump started it and then had an error on the dashboard, which was an engine management light. At the time, I didn't see what the code was, but the car ran absolutely fine. My sort of first thought was maybe a lambda sensor, but anyway, left it be, left the car again, came back again, and I cleared the code. A couple of weeks later, cleared the code, drove it, and briefly, and it didn't come back on. It was absolutely fine. Anyway, so parked the car back up, again, stayed there for another couple of months, went to move it, and the error code came back. It came back to mine, where I parked it up and I ran the codes through. The codes pointed to VVT and the oil pressure switch. Both, it seems that apparently, according to sort of Fiat forums and stuff, that those two are linked together. So anyway, quick Google research on that and through Fiat forums was that, have you had the cam belt changed recently, and that the timing could be out? So phonic relearn apparently potentially could cure that issue. Okay, did a phonic relearn, no change. The clear the code, they came back. Okay, fair enough. Back to sort of square one again. Next, people said, maybe oil change. People suggested, not to me, but people have suggested to other people who had these kind of issues, that maybe you should do an oil change and an oil filter. So I was like, okay, it shouldn't really be the issue. But I tell you what I'm going to do, because it says oil pressure switch, I'm going to change that. So cleared the codes, put in a new oil pressure switch, ran the car. The engine management light was gone. And to this day, I've never seen it. Never seen the engine management light. However, after running the car, getting it up to temperature, we then had insufficient oil pressure then come up on the display. Again, car ran fine. So why now is the car telling me I've got insufficient oil pressure? Because there's a new sensor on it. Okay, right. I'm changing the oil filter and I'm changing the oil. Those two have been done. So I can safely say I've changed the oils and the filter, and I put an oil pressure switch in. Cleared the codes, ran the car again. Up pops the error again. Oil pressure insufficient oil pressure. So this is where I'm stuck. The warning only comes on when the car goes into idle. So when you're driving it around at 30-40 miles an hour, there is no issues. As soon as you stop or come to a set of traffic lights or whatever, as soon as you stop, up pops that error on the dashboard. And as soon as you drive off, get it out of first gear, it goes again. So it only says it has a problem with oil pressure when the car is stationary. But of course, I can't sell the car like that. So what am I to do? What is the problem? What is it that I cannot sort out for the life of me? Work out what it is. Now, again, I don't want to keep throwing money at this car when I'm not necessarily going to sort it. You know, you spend 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 pounds on something, can't even guarantee it's going to work because you're clutching at straws, really. So what are the other suggestions to get this car sorted? I've spoken to a local mechanic who unfortunately is not around here anymore. He's moved on, and I've told him what the issue is, and he has gone thinking the 2 lines of inquiry. The rocker cover needs replacing with new gasket, and his other suggestion was that the contacts around the ECU and the wiring harness could have been corroded and they need cleaning or something along those lines. So that is one suggestion. Was the oil pressure switch that I put in, is that faulty? Why have I lost why has the engine management light gone out? Because of changing the oil pressure switch, and now I've got something completely different. Doesn't make any sense. So I'm lost. I don't know sort of where to go, and I say I don't want to keep throwing money at a car when I don't really understand what I can do. Has the oil pump gone? Is there a blockage in the oil pickup? I done an engine flush when I did the engine oil, so you know, is that also an issue? I haven't got any oil leaks that I'm aware of, so I need your help. I need any sort of reasonable experts, Fiat mechanic, I don't know, anyone who knows these cars, to be able to sort of tell me what they think is the issue with the oil pressure and insufficient oil pressure. Need your thoughts on it. So if you know, please do put a comment in this video just down below. It really would be appreciated big time. Otherwise, I'll show you the car. So there she is. I've got the bonnet up because I don't want to keep slamming it down when I get an idea. And it's all ready to go. It's all ready to go. If it wasn't for the oil pressure, this is all ready to go off to a new person. I'm sure it'll fly out the door being an automatic. But yeah, I don't know. Don't know what it is. So if you do know, please do get in contact. Right, I've tried to keep this as short as possible. Please do let me know in your comments below, and appreciate all your help. So yeah, until next time, thank you all for watching. see you all again very, very soon.